Hey, hello guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can design something like this. You can see how sleek and how cool it is. So first off, let's dive right into it. Select your icons, create a component set, click on fill, then you select each icon and you change the opacity to 20% because this will be like the default state. Name your property to type. Then yes, after that you also create another property and name it state. So this is what we have. You select your icons again and you drag option down, then drag and give it a name. You name it active. Yeah. So let me space it a little. Then we're gonna change the color. Gonna change to the change the color here. Yes, so this is what we have. Let's give it a name. Nav. So select and also give it a name. Let's say it's resting. Then after that, we bring it down a little. So we expand the frame. Then we'll bring down the active state. Now we start duplicating the icons. So yeah, I'm going to take it up a little. Yes, that's nice. Let's have another duplicate, and here I'm going to change it to minus 18. Then this will be 18. Yeah, so the last one, yeah, I'm going to take it back to the original state, which is 0. So we are done with the home. So let's go to the art icon. So also the first one, I'll take it up a little with same position with the home. Yeah, the second one, I will make it bigger than the rest. Yeah, so the fourth one, I'll make it smaller. Yeah, so you can see. Then the last one, yeah, let me take it up a little. Okay, so the last one, I'll take it back to the original frame size, icon size. So you can see. So this is what we have for that. So let's go to the cart. Um, take it up a little. Yeah, the reason for doing this is so we can have a smooth and nice animation. That's why I have to do this. So you can put it in any position that you want to put it. I think that is fine. So for me, I just want to do it this way so the animation will look so nice. Transition will look so sleek. So that's why I'm having mine this way. And you can also try my style too. So you can see, yeah. Let me take it to the left a little. Yeah. So let's work on the settings. Also, you see how cool the settings icon will be. So this will be in 0. Um, let me take it up. Yes, same thing I did for the others. Yeah. So for this, I'm gonna change the position to minus 105 degree. Yeah. Then this the next one will be, let me change it to 90. Yeah. And for the last one, I will take it to its original position, which is 0. So yeah, so we are done. We are done with what we have right now. So yeah, let me be sure of this. Yeah, it's centered. So what I'm going to do next is to change the color of each icon. So now that we've changed the colors, so you can see they're looking nice already. Let me be sure. Okay, yeah, so it's time to prototype. Yeah, the first one on click, smart animate. Let's make it 300 milliseconds. Let's put it to ease out. So yes, so the other one, same thing, smart animate, ease out. So let's make it 200, 200, 200. Yeah. So I'm going to change this other one to 200. Yes. So then this it will be after delay 1 milliseconds, then ease out. So I'm going to do same for everything. So I'm going to also fast forward this part because of time. So the next thing I'll be doing is to actually play what we've done so far. So let me bring this down. I actually um, designed this already before I started. So let me bring it down so you guys will see. So I'll bring in what I have done into this nav bar. So bring in the home, then the art. So you can see that I'm bringing in the default state. I bring in the what's it called, the cards, and also the settings. So here, so we now have all the nav bar. So it's time for us to play and see what we have. So you can see, let me press home. You can see the movement. You can see how nice it looks. You can see the art. You can see the settings. You can see how simple it is to design this animated navigation bar.